Are you guys going to cook sambal goreng pengantin at home? If you are, come, let me show you what you can use. This is hati lembu, which is already boiled and cut to dice, guys. It's already diced, okay? So, it's even much more simple for you guys now because in order for you to cook this hati lembu, you need to boil it, guys. You need to boil it very long, guys. 1.5 hours or 2 hours. And then you need to cut it into dice. So, it takes a lot of time. So, if you drop by our frozen mart, you can just simply grab this packet, defrost it, you can just add it to your cooking, guys. Voila, you can get sambal goreng pengantin at home at a much more faster speed. And if you guys want to cook rendang, but you do not want to use the usual beef, I can suggest that you guys try it with beef spleen, guys. This one is old school, guys. Beef spleen, limper. So you can cook rendang using limper also, guys. It is the beef spleen. And here, you can get it already boiled also, guys. And we have cut it to slightly smaller pieces, but you can adjust it, okay? You can adjust to the right size that you want, and you can add it to your rendang paste, okay? And we have rendang paste here also. You can buy the limper, you can get our rendang paste, you can add it on together and have limper rendang at the comfort of your own homes. The best authentic Malay food made traditionally.